Dzień dobry, dobry.
Dzień dobry.
Dzień dobry.
Cześć, cześć. Dzisiaj rodzinnie.
Mhm.
Prawda, dziewczyny?
We've got extra special guest stars on our Facebook Live today. Who have we?
Matylda.
Jak się
Jeszcze
nazywasz?
raz.
Livia.
A ty?
I.
Matylda.
Matylda, dobrze.
Okay.
Nie rozciągamy się, dziewczyny, żebyście były tylko widoczni. Dzisiaj rodzinnie.
Tak. Today I had an idea, Mam Pomys, about the Polish-English language, which I've always found this funny.
Cofnij się trochę.
And
bo ty nie wiesz.
obviously with our two girls going to Polish school, I think it's an interesting subject.
Livia.
Hello Ania, dzień dobry Ania.
Cześć, Aniu.
From animal sounds.
Livia, przesuń się.
Okay. Now, obviously, in every language in the world, we've all got our sounds for animals, and for each country you come from, these sounds are normal. Okay, so it's something that you have growing up. But it's interesting with the bilingual people. Like, are you Matilda or Olivia? I've forgotten.
Livia.
Are you Matilda or Olivia?
Livia.
You're Olivia. No, you're Matilda. Okay. I'm just interested how it feels for the two sides. So we're going to test on the girls and
Nie, to jest
Joanna.
po prostu śmieszne. Dwujęzyczne zwierzęta. Czy zwierzęta mówią w dwóch językach?
Okay. Right, so first sound, okay?
Livia, i czy nasza lady mówi po angielsku, czy po polsku?
Po angielsku. Po polsku.
Lady mówi po polsku, dobrze.
Po angielsku i po polsku.
Our cats,
Lady.
they speak both of them. They're bilingual.
Rudy, Bibi, Lady.
Dobra.
Okay, so first sound. Po angielsku jest woof woof.
A
Po
po
polsku?
polsku?
What do dogs do in Polish?
Hał, hał.
How, how, how,
How, how.
how, how, how.
Okay, which is similar to we say how. I suppose we used to have a howl in the dogs, but we say
Howl.
woof
No,
woof.
howl
Does
is-
woof woof sound funny to
Wolves,
you?
wolves howl.
Does it sound funny to you? Woof woof. Does it make sense?
Woof,
Woof woof.
Wydaje mi się, że niektórzy mogą znaleźć to śmieszne.
Okay, right, this one I find funny. Pigs. In English, pigs go albo, albo oink oink. Ale po polsku jest
I forgot.
chrum chrum. Chrum chrum albo kwik kwik.
Kwik. No tak, kwik, kwik, malutkie.
Feet.
Kwik kwik. But I think oink oink sounds more real, doesn't it?
Everyone who just joined us, they must be thinking we act.
Okay, how about, okay.
Słuchajcie, wszystko w porządku z nami, zwariowaliśmy
Okay,
trochę, temperatury skaczą.
I'm not gonna say this, Alan. Well, I'm just gonna do it, and you're gonna do your Polish version, okay? Nay!
Poczekajcie, patataj to jak się jedzie,
That's
a
the
normalnie to
walking.
iha.
That sounds like a cowboy.
Cowboy.
That's what cowboys do. I like this one as well, okay?
Nasz koń.
In English, po angielsku. Kukudududu.
I know.
Po polsku?
Chicken.
No,
Ale po polsku.
kogut.
No, kogut.
Kukuryku.
Kukuryku.
So Polish
Nonsense.
Polish roosters go kukuriku and English roosters go
Kogut, a nie ruski.
kokudududu.
Ja. Kukudurudu.
Nie, kukuryku, kochana.
Yeah, but
Kukuryku, kukuryku.
Daddy said
Coś tam w
kukudurudu.
rozbójniku.
Kukudurudurudu.
Okay.
Dobrze, jedźmy
Okay.
dalej.
Right. In English, po angielsku, birds go cheep cheep, tweet tweet. What do they do in Polish?
Quick.
Nie.
Tip.
Ćwir, ćwir. To jest nieudane.
Albo fiu fiu.
Ale tak samo jak ptak, przecież po polsku wróbel, po angielsku piaf, po
Sparrow.
sparrow, po angielsku
In French.
wróbel.
Okay. In English, po angielsku, hens or chickens go cluck cluck. What do they do in Polish?
Kukuryku.
What do they do in Polish?
Nie wiem, już mnie. Cip, cip.
Apparently they go gadak gadak. I can't even do it. Gadak gadak.
To kury.
Albo yeah.
Didak, didak.
Hens, they go gadak gadak.
Nie, cip, cip.
Okay.
Cip, cip.
Karczak. What's duck in Polish? Duck.
Kacz.
Kaczka.
Kaczka. Okay. We go In English, we go quack, quack. In Polish, you go...
Kwak, kwak.
Fuck, fuck, fuck.
See, that's dangerous, that one. That one.
Fuck, fuck,
Nie,
fuck.
kwak, 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 kwak. Okej, dobra.
I always hear a word. When I hear a duck
Okay.
go quack, I hear a word out of quack, quack.
Fuck, quack.
Nigdy nie rozmawiałeś z polskimi
Daddy,
kaczkami.
daddy.
Okay,
You never talked to a Polish ducks.
I do. I took them to
Quack,
They don't
quack,
understand. They
quack,
don't
quack.
understand me. Frogs. Okay, frogs.
Koko, brawo, tak, dzięki.
Frogs. Frogs.
Mateusz, gdzie jesteś?
Frogs croaking. We kind of go rabbit, but in Polish you go
Rere, kum, kum.
kum kum.
Rere, kum,
Or
kum.
do you like
Uwaga na
do
Mateusia.
you like my favourite frog sound? Ready?
Co to jest?
It's a frog.
Okay.
Żaba.
Nasze w
Żaba.
Polsce robią rere, kum, kum.
Okay, this is where we're going back to you, Matilda. Okay, horses running in English. Po Angielski school they go clip clop, clip clop.
Clip, clop,
But
clip.
po Polish school,
Patytaj, 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 patytaj.
that's
Tak to brzmi, a nie,
Patytaj,
a nie
patytaj.
clip clop. To jakieś
clip
takie...
clop, clip clop.
Nie, you know what I mean? You're saying clip clop, yes?
Okay. Flies buzzing, we say buzz and we say bzzz. Yes,
Buzz,
the same,
buzz,
similar.
buzz, buzz, buzz.
Nie, bzzz.
Okay, and then moving on from animals, this one's interesting as well. So for doorbell, if someone presses a doorbell, we go in English, we go ding dong, and in Polish you go
Ding.
no.
No, nie, to telefon dryn, dryn.
Oh, it says here drin drin as well.
Dryn.
And telephone. So telephones we go ring ring, and Polish go
Dryn, dryn.
drin
A nawet
drin
dryn, dryn.
drin drin. So drin drin. So
Te
difficult.
telefony dzwonią inaczej.
Okay, what else do we have?
One of them is trying to get up.
Okej.
Okay. Oh, this one as well.
Matylda.
Okay, a clock ticking. We go
Can you come in?
tick tock, and you go
Click.
Ja jestem pan tik-tak, tik-tak.
tick tack. They go.
Ja
Say it
jestem
again.
pan tik-tak, tik-tak. Tik-tak!
And
Matylda, przepuść
oh,
Lidię,
that's
bo
and the
nie
last.
widać Matyldy.
Okay, we have.
Chodź, stań tu.
What do we have as well? Just a few more. So one more. This one, the last one, I find very funny. I know it's not really. Don't really want to talk about guns or anything, but in English, when we used to play cowboys, we used to go with the guns. We used to go bang bang.
That's not even allowed now, is it?
And what do you do? You say peef paff.
Peeps, puff?
Peef paff.
Piw, paw.
Apparently, peef paff for guns. I don't get that one.
Nasze bronie
I
są
don't
nie
get
takie
that one.
straszne jak wasze.
Dada.
Wasze są
Yeah.
Dada.
Yes.
Can I have a tic-tac?
Oh, can you have a tic tac? Yes, after. Okay, I think that's enough, isn't
Yeah.
it? But there's so many more.
Well,
Oh
this
no! Sorry. In English,
Papa?
Point Geller School, when we sneeze, we go hachu, and in Polish you go
Hapshu.
a psik.
apsik. So I go achu, you say
Apshu.
apchik. So if you go apchik, I don't understand it, so I don't say bless you. But if you say achu, I understand. I go bless you. Did you get it? Okay. All right, a bit of fun today. Thank you to our extra special guest stars. What's your name again?
Lydia.
A what's your name?
No, who are
Jak
you?
ty się nazywasz?
Matilda.
Nie, to jesteś... Jak to
I've
jest?
forgotten your names.
Livia. Matilda. Livia. No, Livia.
Dziękujemy wam
Matilda.
bardzo.
Okay.
Tic-tac, tic-tac.
Do zobaczenia.
Do zobaczenia,
Bye-bye.
kochani, miłego dnia. Pa,
Chris
pa.
Ernest